Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to make your YouTube channel all save playlist private. It's pretty easy and simple. So let's begin our video. First of all, launch on your YouTube application, and guys, this process is also same for Android and iOS, so don't be worried if you are using iPhone. So first of all, you need to tap on your profile icon on the top right corner, and then you need to select your channel on the top. Here you can see your channel, so simply select your channel, and after that you get a option for edit channel. On the top here you can see edit channel option, so simply tap on edit channel, and after that you get a option privacy. On the down here you can see privacy and two option. First one is keep all my subscription private, and second one is keep all my saved playlist private. So if you want to make private on your all saved playlist, so simply select keep all my saved playlist private, so enable it. That's it, your all saved playlist is gonna private. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching my video.